Hello everyone and welcome back to Wicked-Whiskers. In front of you you can see something new from the Pearl company or Madav Shaving Industries. The razor which will be released, and this is a premiere on YouTube and also the premiere on the Wicked-Whiskers shaving channel. So this is a very nice box. And to be honest, however, I was tempted to rip it open while I'm unboxing the entire package. It really took me some time to actually feel it in the hand, and I guess that if you purchase this razor and receive something in a box like this, it definitely leaves a more premium feel compared to some other razors which I purchased. So I'm still kind of reluctant to open it because the feel on the fingers is really great and it really gives you the solid feel when you have it. So bear with me and we will see what this single edge razor really is. So oh boy, let's see. Let's put this on the side. So, oh yeah, this is what concerned me the most. Is it going to use a single edge blades, which are proprietary and not so heavily available compared to DE blades, but this appears to be sample of just a split DE blade. So yes. Nice call, Pearl Shaving, nice call. I saw on YouTube a lot of nice single edge razors which did use the single edge blades, and it reduces the convenience of the traditional wet shaving, but when you just need to split your already available blades, which are dirt cheap, then it is really beneficial. So this is the half of Silvermax blade. I don't know anything about them, I never use them, so I will just use it for the loading in the razor, and who knows, maybe I will try it just to see how it shaves. So let's see what else is in the package. Let's remove the razor. Whoa. Whoa. This is a really nice looking one. Has this polished finish. I'm not sure about the materials. It does seem a little bit not too heavy, but it does have a nice weight on it. Maybe it does mention something on the box how heavy it is. Nope. Only the handbook for effortless shaving experience. So make a twist clockwise to the handle to access the blade compartment. The top cap is released to load the single edge blade. Yada. Okay, how difficult it could be. So let's see, let's twist the bottom. It's nice, smooth, very smooth, but it's pretty grippy, so no issues on opening and closing. I wonder if this is the same mechanism as the leaf twig. Okay, it's not turning entirely. And it's not opened entirely, so let's see. Yeah, it's just a regular top cap, like with any DE safety razor. So I guess it is just some wobbling shaft inside, and apparently this would be a magnet. There are no other limiters in this, so I wonder how it will sit on it. So yeah, actually these two pins on the ends are the limiters, so you just need to push the blade a little bit, but from my point of view it is, yeah, nicely secured. It's held, I would say, okay, so no big deal on this one. I will put the top cap back in place and maybe just help it a little bit with my index finger until it grabs. So let's see. Yeah, it loses the alignment a little bit, so let's go again. Okay, let's now try not to hold anything with the fingers. It doesn't have any overhang on the sides. And now I have the perfect match on both sides. So I guess this would be the first takeout from this unboxing. Do not press the top cap. It will definitely be self-centered and self-aligned perfectly. The grooves are vertical, so I guess it won't be that pliable to dripping. I will try it with my wet fingers. But it is very nice and provides a good grip for opening and closing the razor. And I must say I'm very positively surprised by the finishing, because everything is so polished, it's nice and smooth. Oh, it has some pearl logo on the bottom, made in India. No serial marks, but like I was mentioned from Mrs. Nabila from Pearl Shaving, this is a new razor release, so I guess that maybe some future versions could have the serial number, like the Pearl Flexi, for example. But yeah, quite honestly, I wasn't expecting that this will be self-centering razor. I'm trying to give you more angled view, but as you can see, it is perfectly equal on both sides. And it has a hollow end, but I think I saw it, yeah, with stand. So, oh, there is a bit more. Oh boy. Can you see how much of the spare sample blades? So I guess I'll be good for quite some time. Okay, this is a cardboard holder, so it's not wiggling in the box. The blade goes on top, stand in here, so if you want to keep your razor on the side. Okay, let's not lose too much time with this. So let's check the stand. Oh, it has some silicone mat underneath. It is, I don't know, is it pressed or just glued? Maybe it has some pins inside to actually keep it in place. It does feel a little bit sticky, so I will try it in the bathroom, but definitely not slippery. And let's see how it stands. Very nice. Good tolerances, as you can see. Maybe just a fraction of millimeter, but not overly tight and definitely not too wobbly, so I guess this won't be tilted by accident by any means. And now, just by rotating it, I must say that this razor looks very well made. I wasn't expecting this from Pearl Shaving. I don't know what will be the end price for this razor, but so far I think that this is something which you could expect from much more well-known brands like Merkur or Mula or I don't know, Rockwell or anything that you can find online. Everything is so smooth, so well made, not a tiniest imperfection at this moment that I can observe. Looks very nice. Now I don't have the scale to measure it, how it weighs, but I guess it is somewhere about maybe 70-80 grams. Let's see some dimensions. I have my elementary school ruler, so the handle is about maybe 12-13 millimeters, so quite decent in grabbing, you know. It's not too thin, it's not too thick. I guess for average hands it is just sufficient to, you know, have safe and secured grip on it. Lengthwise, maybe some 90 to 95 millimeters. Otherwise, straight from the bat, this razor looks like a really nice beauty. I can't wait to try it, to see how it shaves, how it performs. So I hoped you enjoyed this unboxing video of this, I must admit, a really slick looking razor. And I wish if it could shave at least half as good as it looks, then this could easily be one of the top choices for the Wicked-Whiskers. So thank you for watching, stay tuned, there will be much more videos with this slick razor. Thanks for watching and see you next time, bye!